Dude, come here. Hey, come here, dude. Hey, come here. Come here, dude.
I'm Compton, bro.
Compton?
Stay on.
What's going on? What's wrong?
No. You're wrong.
What's wrong?
Bro, because I'm a Compton motherfucker, bro. And you want me to dance for you? Huh?
Why do you want to dance for?
I'm a real motherfucker.
You lost your flip-flop.
Huh?
You lost your flip-flop.
Man, that flip-flop.
Okay.
Fuck this flip-flop. Man, fuck this flip-flop.
Ulan geri zekalı nereye atıyorsun?
Man, so I'm a real motherfucker.
Are you?
Huh?
Don't come at me like that, dude.
No.
Don't come at me, dude.
No.
Do not come
Give
at
me
me.
up. Whatever you want.
Do not come at me. Stop.
Because I'm telling you,
Stop.
I'm a real motherfucker.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Just stop. What's your name?
What you want my name for?
'Cause I know who I'm talking to.
No.
I don't just want to call you dude.
You need to know my name.
Okay,
You
then
need
tell
to
me.
know my name, bro. So
Technically,
go
I do, dude.
on. Go on.
Few moments later.
Huh?
Let's get in the yard. Let's get in the yard. Calm down.
No.
Let's get out of the road. Nobody wants to get hit by a car.
New York, right now.
All right, do not come
Go
at me.
on.
Do not come at me. Stay out of the road. What is going on? Why? What's wrong? Have you taken anything? Are you drinking? Have you been drinking today?
The drunk, the drink, everything. You know?
Ya sen geri zekalı mısın?
Go on.
Do you take medications?
That police right there that says on the f***ing. Go on.
What's wrong? What's going on today, dude?
Go on.
You need to calm down.
Go on. And you don't come down.
You need to.
Go on.
I can't just leave you like this, man.
No, go on. Go on. We own this.
Tamam.
We own this. So go on. Go on.
Well, what you
Go
trying?
on. Go on.
No,
on.
he's just yelling. It keeps coming
Go
in.
on.
We should be good until you get here.
Go on.
Dude, you need to stop.
No,
You need to calm
I
down.
have to stop anything. But I'm telling you, you get into your f***ing cop car and go on. Huh? Go on.
Why are you in the middle of the road?
Go on.
Stop coming at me.
No. Go on.
Stop.
Go on.
Stop.
No. 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 Go on.
Dude,
Go on.
why were you in the middle of the road?
No. Go on.
Stop coming at
Go
me.
on.
Stop coming
No,
at me.
man, I don't give me up.
Senin kafanı
I'm not gonna beat you up.
Go
You
on.
got blood on your chest? Where'd you get blood from?
No. Go on. Go on. Because there's
There's
nothing that's gonna tell you.
How much have you had to drink today, bub?
Nah, man, f that.
How much have you
Go
had to
on.
drink?
Go on. Go on.
Çocukları gökleşler çıkartacak.
What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Stop coming at me.
What you gonna do?
Stop coming at me.
Go on. Get into the f***ing police over there and go on.
I can't.
Yeah.
You're intoxicated. You're in the middle of the road when I pulled up.
No.
I can't just leave you.
You're gonna do whatever I tell you and go on.
I'm
bro.
not.
Go on.
Stop. Crossing home.
What's up? What's up, bro?
Hey, do not come at him.
What's up, bro? I'm a content, bro. I'm a content.
Chris is almost there.
I don't give a f***, bro.
12. How much farther are you?
Quit looking at me, bro. Huh? Go on.
You need to calm down.
No. Go on.
10-4.
Go on, bro.
Calm down.
Go on.
Calm down.
Go on.
Calm down.
Go on. Go on,
You
bro.
need to calm down.
I'm CPT.
What is
Till
that?
I die, mother-
What's PT?
Huh? That's Compton, mother.
How you end up here from Compton?
Bro, I'm born in Compton.
You're born in Compton?
Either you're gonna understand the way I'm coming from, or either you know.
Yep.
Go on.
Yep.
Go on.
I'm not
Go
going
on.
nowhere, no.
No, go on.
I'm not going nowhere.
No, go on.
I'm not going anywhere.
Go on.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
LRG, boss.
NRG?
LRG.
LRG.
LRG, boss. And you can
He's
go
a
to that
police
cop
officer.
car right there. I'm gonna keep going after you.
Why?
Huh?
Why don't you just stop and sit down?
You're not restraining.
Why don't you just stop and sit down? Talk to him. Hey, get out of the road. I can't have you in the road, man. Get out of the road.
Get on your helmet. Get on your helmet.
Somebody called me. He was walking down the middle of the road. He hit
whatever you
some teacher's truck.
Bu yakıştı mı sana kardeşim?
His friend's truck.
it's not something big say.
Roll over on your butt. Roll over on your butt and sit up. Roll over on your butt and sit up.
No, you know you're wrong.
Roll over. Sit up.
No,
Sit up.
you know you're wrong.
I'm not wrong, dude.
No, you're wrong.
I'm not. How much have you had to drink today?
I don't give a what the I have wrong. But you wrong.
You guys ID?
Huh? You want my ID? Huh?
Lewis?
Yeah. LRG, motherfucker. Huh? But you wrong.
We're driving my buddy up the road because he saw him. He's stumbling over the place. We're in the person's yard. He's throwing his belt down. As soon as we start pulling up closer to check up on him, he starts punching my buddy's truck over there.
Do not
Adam öldü amına.
bite me.
Hey.
Another charge.
Hey.
Do not bite
I
me.
don't give
Chill
a
out.
fuck.
You need to calm
Chill
down.
out.
What you gonna do,
You
man?
need to chill out.
What you gonna do? Huh?
You're in handcuffs.
What you
You need to
gonna
sit
do?
down and you need to shut up.
I'm gonna stand up.
I don't care. You're gonna
I'm
sit
gonna
down.
stand up.
Like we just said, you're gonna sit down on this curb and you're gonna shut up. Stop f***ing yelling.
Hey, you got any bags, Chris?
Nah.
No. Do not stand.
You.
Okay.
You. Get your
Do
hands
not
off me.
stand up.
Get your hands off me.
Do not stand
Get
up.
your hands off me.
Do not stand
Get
up.
your hands off me.
No, I'm not letting you
Huh?
stand up. You stay sitting down. Do not
Get
stand
your
up.
hands off me.
Lewis, you're not going to stand up.
No.
Do not stand up. Just
Get
stay
your
there.
hands off of me, man.
No. What's wrong with you, dude? What's
No.
happening?
No. Get your hands off me.
No. I cannot
And
let you
I'm
stand
gonna-
up. I'm
I'm
not
gonna
letting you
look
stand
at-
up. Have you just had something to drink?
No.
Have you had drugs?
No. Huh?
You haven't had any drugs? You haven't had drink anything? I can
No.
smell the alcohol on you.
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink?
I don't give a
You don't care how much you've had to drink? Okay.
at the point.
At the point? You all right?
No.
Do you need EMS to come look at you?
Get the off of me.
Do you need EMS to come look
Get
at
the
you?
off of me.
Do you need EMS to come look at
No.
you? No. Are you breathing fine? Anything hurting?
No.
What's in this pocket? What's this?
Go ahead.
What's in there?
Clean.
Let's throw him in the car.
Throw me in the car.
right,
Whatever
stand
you want.
Stand up.
Just stop talking.
Stand up.
No. Let me go. Let me go.
I'll tell you what. Open the door.
No. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing in my car. Huh?
Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
That's unuseful. Huh? Yo.
What did he say?
There's no damage.
Where did the other shoe go? He just kicked it off, didn't it? Or is that not the one that was over there by your friend's truck?
I don't know where he threw it at.
He threw it over there under that tree.
So I did damage this truck right
Nah, he's good.
Hey, don't beat up my car, man.
Yeah, I didn't want you to put hands on it because if something happened, you'd have to use force.
Yeah.
Off duty, too.
I just thought Sergeant. I was like, I wanted to, but I said,
I was telling you not to because I knew
Yeah.
you'd get into stuff. Thank you very much. I was just about to come grab that for you.
Belt poop.
His belt?
I was watching him out the window, man. He was just tossing.
Yeah, he's another officer. He's an officer, and he called me about him coming out here. So.
Yeah. He was just telling me he lives here in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we just second neighborhood. So I'm like,
I'm doing my best. Hey, do not beat up my car.
If you don't stop, I'm going to pepper spray you. Okay? You're going to have to chill out. What?
All you want.
You just need to chill out back there.
What you want?
Hey, Hey, stop it or you're gonna get pepper sprayed.
What you want, man?
Alright, let's go.
What you want, man? Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! You ain't shit! You ain't shit! You ain't shit! Fuck you! You ain't shit! Fuck you! You ain't shit! Fuck you! Fuck you! What you looking at?
Not looking at nothing. Look at the road, my man.
What you looking at?
The road. What's a warrant? Hey, do not stop.
Well, you check your car out, make sure you didn't damage nothing.
Yeah.
No!
Is he kicking your door or is he kicking the cage?
What you I don't give a
He's
fuck.
headbutting the cage. He's not doing it very hard.
Where am I at?
You don't know where you're at?
Fuck you! Hey, man, and I want to tell you straight up, I'm gonna ask you,
Okay.
huh?
Okay.
Where am I at?
Fort Smith.
Exactly. So where is that? Huh?
I don't know who that is. Stop headbutting my window.
I don't give a fuck.
I know you don't, but I do.
I don't give a fuck. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? You wanna fight? Yeah.
I do not want to fight you.
Exactly. Woo! Oh,
He's drunk. Drunk and stupid. Drunk and stupid. He's been kicking my door the entire time. It's been like that since I got here. Come on, bub. Let's go. Come on.
what you looking at me?
Let's go.
Nah. Fuck you.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Don't touch me.
You want to go out that way? Let's go.
No.
You gonna walk or am I dragging?
No, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Nah, man.
Chris,
Don't touch me.
thank you. Well, I expected more, no.
Louis düzensiz davranış ve kamuya açık alanda sarhoş gezmekle suçlandı. Mahkeme kayıtlarına göre Louis'in geçmişi kabarık. Katil 21 yılında uyuşturucu bulundurmak ve uyuşturucu kullanımıyla bağlantılı materyallere sahip olmaktan hüküm giydi. Ardından 2022'de birçok farklı suçtan daha yargılandı. Birden fazla kez uyuşturucu bulundurma ve $5.000 fazla değerde mülke zarar verme suçlamalarıyla tekrar mahkemeye çıktı. 4 yıl hapis cezası aldı.